You know what Florida is, Jack?
Aw, Jack, man.
I thought they told us like 8. Come on, dude. Dude. You're a You're a ass.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to JSC, the JoogSquad Challenge, where I take your viewer-submitted comments and bring them into real life. Today we have a good one. Pressing all the buttons on an elevator. That's pretty much it, just pressing all the buttons on an elevator. But we got a little bit creative, we got crazy, we got costumes. This was an action-packed day. We actually filmed a collab with the Ireland boys, and we went ghillie suit ding-dong ditching, and the very first house we did, hit the fan. The cops showed up almost immediately.
Leave.
Yeah, that's our friends.
Alright, come on, follow me down.
Alright.
What? Perfect. Guys.
I'm going to be posting a preview of that tomorrow, so if you guys want to come back and check that out. Also, in the middle of filming this video, I guess they were ding-dong ditching the same hotel that we were trying to use the elevator at, and the cops got called again, so twice in one day. That will all be in tomorrow's video. It should be a pretty action-packed vlog. As always, if you guys are stoked on JSC and you enjoy this series, please show some love and give this video a big thumbs up. That's one of the best ways you can support us. Also, leave all your craziest dares and challenges in the comment section below. Try to gauge today's comments towards elevator pranks because we want to do more. We have some ideas already. Let's see if you guys can be more creative than we are. So without further ado, I give you pressing all the buttons on an elevator.
There's no fitability with this.
What are we doing, dude?
I can't see shit.
Alright, we're going from the top down.
We're just legends.
I'm wearing the big ass fucking costume.
Why am I in a
Why do I have to just
run?
Wait for the die.
Turn his head in. Here, Alex, you film this.
The security guard was definitely walking in behind us.
So many.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
Oh, I see how it is, dude.
Oh.
I need a report mission.
Oh, we're on the first floor.
Nah, because those are all the garages.
You need a room key to get to 15. That's
Going up.
No. Oh, alright, get up. Let's wait for somebody who's going to the room.
Going up.
No, yeah, I'll be going out, please. Well, we thought all our friends stayed here, but we don't have the keys, so we can't get to his room.
Alright.
You go to the bathroom.
I just got a call from Lobby.
Yeah.
About what company to
You guys
investigate.
up there banging on the doors and stuff.
Oh, no banging.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alright, what are we doing wrong?
Alright, you and that turkey.
The buzz is on us. Let's see your steez, Turner. Come on, man. You guys look wonderful.
You just us up. Thank you, Turner. That's definitely Turner. How's everybody doing today? We're good.
Not with Turner doing what he just did. Do you guys know what Florida is?
No. I'm sorry, I pressed every button.
Do you guys know what Florida is by chance?
No, I just...
Hey, what floor are they on? You're such a dick.
Thanks. I hope they like them.
Oh, this
hi.
is me.
This is you guys? Cool.
I'm a peacock. You just gotta let me fly. How are you guys today? We apologize.
Must be next.
I don't apologize. I like to press buttons, dude.
My next.
I pressed every single button.
No, that was tough.
No, we gotta keep going.
I'm about to get out on the next one.
Oh, you guys going to the top? I'm sorry.
We're going to 10, baby. Let's go. Party at level 10. I'm not doing
Alright,
that.
so
on
you
the
guys
way
stop.
down. You guys have a wonderful day.
Hey guys. What,
Yeah, we gotta go.
what floor are we going to?
Yeah,
What floor are you guys going to?
It's very unforgiving.
You know what floor it is, Jack?
Oh, Jack, man. You
I thought they told us like 8.
Come on, dude. Dude. You're a You're an ass.
We apologize, you guys. We
I don't think they like that.
Let's go one floor down and do it.
Hey, they went to the next floor over. Or they went to the next floor. I like that. Let's do it.
Quick, let it close, let it close.
Push it down. Dude, this guy's gonna start slumping.
Is it these guys?
Hey guys. Are we doing your interview yet?
I was like, hey, can I get in with you guys? Hello.
You guys are having so much fun tonight.
We always are.
It's been a long week.
Are you guys going up?
Yeah, we're going to 10. We're just going to 10 so that I can press every button on the way down.
Are you
That-
serious?
Yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah.
Sounds like fun.
It's for like a YouTube channel.
Would you laugh if somebody pressed every button? Would you get mad?
I would laugh.
Heck yeah!
Thank you.
You know what I am? Hey, give me one. Yeah!
Let's try that one. See if we can find that car.
No, he can't come in here.
Oh, God, I'll be having nightmares all night now.
You know the floor
It's almost worse than Scientology.
Yeah, that's no bueno.
He actually has like move.
I know.
You guys
can't touch me. We're only on 9. We want to go down to P3.
I like going to every.
You hit every button.
It's like it's.
I know.
High fives.
High five him, Hey, he did leave, didn't he?
Yeah, no, he's a
not
dick.
part of you guys?
No, he is a part. He needs to come.
He had to go take.
Wait, hold on.
Lower level.
We don't know where we are.
We want
Oh, wait a minute, he
P3.
found us again.
Oh, hey, there you are. I was waiting for you. I was wondering where you were.
Oh my God.
Been looking all over for you.
You guys going up or down?
No.
Oh, you're on the wrong elevator.
I pressed every button.
Wait a minute. I'm confused. It's the
We're going
That's
to
Pikachu.
Thank you.
We're going to P3, not P5, P3.
I'm sorry. I don't know any better. My hand is so big, I just.
Yeah, would you press P3 for us, please?
Yeah, this is the next one. Oh, P2, P4, P3. This is P.
Alright, you guys, it's the last one.
I can't take much more.
I know it's hot.
I can't do this.
You can't half-ass it, man.
You
We're
can
almost
only
done.
do this if you're like in a fraternity and have to do this to get a brother.
I know, we're rushing right now.
Hey,
Yeah.
this might be.
Yeah.
This is a
You guys
rush
have a nice
mania.
rush week.
Have a good weekend.
Thank you so much.
That was insane. Dude, I tried to get to the elevator in time where I could just be standing there with an elevator.
so sweaty.
Is this us? We're P2.
Yeah, definitely P2. We're definitely P2.
Oh!
Let me take a picture with you. Come back. Come on.
Alright, got it. Hey, see, look at that. We did it, guys. We did it. Some guy got really, really mad at us for pressing all the buttons on the elevator. We honestly came up with so many more elevator ideas that we're gonna film shortly. If you guys have any ideas for what you want to see us do in the elevator, leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Challenge completed, guys.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, leave your comments, dares, and challenges for the next episode of JSC in the comment section below. I think we might go give cops tickets today. Because that's a good idea, right? Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, and we will see you tomorrow for a new episode of JSC. Actually, maybe just a lot of cops getting called and shenanigans. Who knows? Thanks for watching.
Say rolling around, sitting on dubs, count my hours high on trucks, cooling in my Escalade. Man, I'm paid, I got it made. Take me to your special place.
A lot of time blowing this up.
I'm gonna piss on it.